In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the display part. What do you need? A screwdriver, spudger, a container to put the screws in, spatula, thermal paste, a metal cleaner spray, wet wipes, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. The first step is to take out the screws. Now it's time to take the spudger. Put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully remove the bottom case now. Disconnect the cables from the battery and the heatsink. Unscrew the screws that hold the heatsink in place. Carefully lift up the heatsink. It is now time to clean the heatsink. To do this we first use a plastic spatula. Use a wet wipe. Now spray some metal cleaner on a microfiber cloth and clean the last bit. Repeat the previous steps for the CPU. Remove the screws from the hinges. Disconnect the webcam cable. Do the same on this side. Also disconnect the display cable. Lift up the hinges. Make sure the cables do not get in the way. Gently separate the screen from the chassis. Install the C-cover palm rest part on the new screen display. Replace the cables and press the hinge back. Pay close attention by putting back the screws. Place them exactly back on the same place as shown. Also the display cable. Put a little thermal paste on the spatula and spread it evenly over the CPU. Make sure the whole CPU is covered. Reinstall the heatsink. Put back the screws. Reconnect the cables. Place the bottom case back. Make sure that you position the bottom case properly. The final step is to put the screws back in place.